Ever feel like your bank account is stuck in the Stone Age? Ever stare at your bank statement, bewildered by cryptic charges and a complete lack of clarity on where your hard-earned money goes? You're not alone. Traditional banks often feel like relics of a bygone era, designed for a time when faxes were cutting edge and statements arrived by carrier pigeon. But what if managing your business finances could be as seamless and intuitive as your favorite app? Enter Tide, the challenger bank designed specifically for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small business owners like you. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Tide accounts, unpacking the juicy benefits that can transform the way you manage your business finances. Silence the frustration and embrace the future. Let's get started. Benefit number 1, effortless expense tracking. No more spreadsheet hell. Remember those nights spent hunched over spreadsheets, manually categorizing transactions and praying your formulas don't explode? Tide throws those late-night marathons out the window. Their accounts come equipped with brilliant auto-categorization. Every purchase you make gets automatically tagged: income, expenses, travel, the whole shebang. This not only saves you hours, but also provides invaluable insights into your spending habits. Imagine being able to see exactly where your money goes at a glance. Need to identify areas for cost cutting? Tide's breakdown makes it a breeze. Budgeting becomes a breeze, not a battlefield. Benefit number 2, invoice like a boss, get paid faster. Freelancers rejoice. Tide understands the cash flow struggles freelancers face. Their platform allows you to create and send professional invoices with just a few clicks. No more clunky software or chasing down clients for overdue payments. But Tide takes it a step further. They offer instant invoice payment options, allowing clients to settle their dues on the spot. This means faster access to your hard-earned money, keeping your cash flow healthy and your business thriving. Benefit number 3, the power of integration, your business finances streamlined. Running a business involves juggling a million things. The last thing you need is another siloed system for your finances. Tide seamlessly integrates with popular accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, and Sage. No more manual data entry, no more wasted time reconciling accounts. This integration creates a beautiful synergy, allowing your financial data to flow freely between your accounting platform and your Tide account. Reports become effortless, tax preparation a breeze. Benefit number 4, built-in business tools, more than just a bank account. Tide goes beyond simply storing your money. They offer a suite of built-in business tools that empower you to manage your finances with greater control. Need to issue employee expense cards with spending limits? Done. Want to gain valuable insights into your cash flow with forecasting tools? Tide has you covered. These tools aren't just fancy add-ons, they're designed to address the everyday challenges faced by small businesses. They empower you to make informed decisions, streamline operations, and ultimately, focus on growing your business. Benefit number 5, a mobile app that's actually useful. Shocking, we know. Remember those clunky bank apps that look like they were designed in the early 2000s? Tide throws that stereotype out the window. Their mobile app is sleek, intuitive, and puts your entire financial picture at your fingertips. Whether you're checking your balance, sending an invoice, or categorizing expenses, the Tide app makes it a breeze. It's designed with busy entrepreneurs in mind, offering the flexibility and convenience you crave to manage your finances on the go. The takeaway, is a Tide account right for you? If you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner tired of the limitations of traditional banks, Tide offers a compelling alternative. Their focus on automation, integration, and mobile-first functionality makes managing your finances a breeze. However, it's important to consider your specific needs. Tide accounts might not be the perfect fit for every business, especially those with high cash flow or complex financial structures. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if Tide can become your financial partner in crime. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy hustling.